Assalamualaikum. I want to present our group project network management. We have 3 members in this group project. First, Siti Nurfatin binti Ahmad, the magic number 246015. Second, Nurul Adila binti Abdul Manaf, 245356. And last, Nur Hazika binti Hamidi, 246190. For the introduction, this project comprises using two tools for network management such as a cacti and TCP dumps. All the tools are open source and freely available for installation. Ubuntu is recommended as an operating system for this project. What is cacti? Cacti is a complete open source network monitoring and graphing tool that was designed as a front-end application for the application standard data logging tools RRD tool. cacti harnesses the power of RRD tools, data storage and graphing functionality. Some good features of cacti includes: first, fast pooling of metrics. Second, support for multiple data acquisition methods. Third, support for advanced graph templating. And last, user management functionality with ACL. cacti also provides an intuitive and easy to use web interface which can be used for small LAN installations up to complex network with thousands of servers and networking devices. For install and configure cacti on Ubuntu. First, how to install cacti server on Ubuntu. Okay, first, cacti has a number of dependencies that need to be installed and configured before you can deploy cacti server itself. This guide will cover the installation of this dependency one by one. First, step 1. For the step 1, update system and upgrade all package. We always start with server package upgrade to avoid any dependency issue. Okay, step 2, install PHP and required modules. We need to install PHP and some PHP modules required by cacti. The most important module is PHP-SNMP and PHP-MySQL. Make sure they are installed and you can check your PHP version using the command. Ensure you set the correct time zone. For the step 3, install Apache web server. The default recommended web server is for cacti is Apache. Installing using the some commands. For example, sudo apt-get-y install Apache 2. After install Apache, configure basic security by allowing prod server tokens only. This directive configure that you return as the server HTTP response valid option are full OS minimal minor major prod. During the installation process, you will be prompted to configure cacti with few options to select from available options. First of all, choose the web server that you wish to use for configure with cacti like we are using Apache, and then press OK key to continue like this picture. Okay, next. Next, to enter to cacti user, first of all, we need to enter username and password. Before that, we need to copy the IP address to the browser for us to access the cacti. Enter admin username and its password, whereas admin is default username and password for cacti as shown below. Usually for username, we just put admin as it official for us to enter the cacti.
After enter the username and password, it will come to home page of cacti. After resetting cacti user password, you will be automatically directed towards its home page. Just look like below. First of all, you need to create graph for new devices. Then, you need to click graph at the management page, and then it will come up with script as data input. First, we need to create script with output format, string value, not the text number. The script should save in user /set share /cacti/site/script for file permission should be light. Next, we need to create data input method. First of all, we need to add output fields. It must match the output field name of script. Example, if output is price 999 discount 8787, then data output field will be price and discount out of context example. After that, we need to add data template. Then, add data source item such as the data sources item should also match the output file name. After that, we can create the graph template. After that, we can add new device for us to easy create graph. The general device option as below, such as description, hostname, polar association, device site association, device template, and etc. After create new graph, we need to create table tree. It is to produce the tree table at the end of this project. To view graph of your local host system, click on the graph button and you will see multiple graphs of your local host server showing that your system memory usage and dot average, etc. In this project, we use three types of graphs, which is ping latency and the two graph. More the time taking for the graph finish, the more the latency of the graph will show at the end of this project. The movement of the table is recorded in the table. The movement of the graph is recorded in the table as stated. There is time that the graph will up and the time it will down. It depends on the graph and time taken of the graph is built. To get a good result and a beautiful graph, we can take more time longer for the graph is built. And the pattern of the graph will record as the graph finish. In this project, we learn about the installation and configuration setup of cacti, TCP dump, and mouse sysum on Ubuntu. Now, we are able to use it in your new environment to get graph data for the CPU and network bandwidth utilization. We can also use it to monitor the network traffic by polling a router or switch via SNMP. That's all from our group. Thank you.